Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So we have finished reading Muhammad Ali, and for this week's assignment, we are going to write a paragraph about him. So let's go to Google Classroom. Click on ESL 1, click on Classwork, and open up Muhammad Ali paragraph writing. So watch this video, and when you finish watching the video, you can open up the document. Okay, so we know Muhammad Ali was born on January 17th, 1942, and died on June 13th, 2016. So he died almost 4 years ago. We know Muhammad Ali was a famous boxer. So now I want you to write a paragraph. Okay, so let's write a paragraph. So a block of sentences, and answer the questions. What are 3 interesting things you learned about Muhammad Ali? Then go to Google. What disease did Muhammad Ali have? What did the disease do to Muhammad Ali? And what can Ali teach us about living life? Okay, so let's do 5 spaces in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we start with this one. What are 3 interesting things you learned about Muhammad Ali? You can start with one interesting thing I learned about Muhammad Ali is, and then you finish the sentence, okay? Then write about these questions. And last, write about this question. I want you guys to write at least 100 words. Okay? How do you know what 100 words is? So highlight the sentence you want. Go to Tools, Word Count, and you can see, so 9. I have 9 words there, all right? So I want you guys to write 100 words or more. Okay, so when you guys are done, don't click share. Over here, you guys have a turn in button. So when you're done, click turn in. All right, so remember, you can email me, you can text me, or you can come on to Zoom and ask me for help. Bye, guys.